This is my Triumph Bonneville giving me troubles in starting. I see the battery is fine. In fact, I got a new battery. So when I try to start this, I can see that, and then I'm gonna keep my cell phone on the side and try to start it. I can hear the noise, but nothing else happens. That's what happens. The voltmeter is still good. I think it's to do something with the solenoid or the fuse or the spark plug. It's a 2017 bike. Hasn't gone really long distances. It's about like 1100 miles on it, so it's not really, I don't think it's the spark plug, but it could well be the solenoid problem. I don't know. If anything else, please throw your comments before I have no other option to take it to the dealers.